Hey guys, Christmas is here, so let's make some Santa cheesecakes. I've posted a lot of recipes that are related to Christmas or festivals in general, so make sure to check them out on my YouTube and Instagram channels. They are very simple to make and the strawberries add a really nice freshness to the cheesecakes as well. Now let's get started with this recipe. This Christmas I wished for a gift and here it is. It's basically butter thanks to Santa. We're going to melt the butter in a microwave or a double boiler setup, and then we're going to also crush some biscuits. I'm using Marie biscuits, but feel free to use anything you want. Then we're going to combine both of these together and form our cheesecake crust. The final mixture should resemble wet sand, and then it's done. After the biscuit mixture is ready, we're going to take a cupcake tray lined with cupcake liners, and we're going to divide this mixture into 6 equal portions. Then we'll just press down on this mixture using a measuring cup or any kind of vessel, or even your hands will do just fine. And using my 1/4 cup measuring cup, which is the perfect size for my cupcakes. After the crusts are tightly packed, we're going to refrigerate this tray until needed, or at least for 20 minutes. Now in a mixing bowl, you're going to add in all of our cream cheese. If you don't have cream cheese, you can also use hung curd. Into that we'll add some caster sugar, and then we'll combine both of these together using a spatula. If you want, you can also use a whisk, but generally cream cheese tends to clump up between the whisk, and that is why I prefer using a spatula in the beginning. And after the cream cheese is softened, I can then switch on to the whisk. After the sugar is combined, we'll add in our cream and some curd. You can also use yogurt here if you want. Then using the spatula or a whisk, we'll just gently combine everything together, and into this we'll be adding our corn flour along with very special ingredient, that is condensed milk. And this is a really important ingredient in this recipe because we're not using any eggs, and this is also going to add some sweetness to our batter. Lastly, we'll add some vanilla extract, and after that everything is done. We'll give the batter a quick whisk until everything is combined. Make sure that there are no lumps, but at the same time don't overmix the batter. Then we'll remove our cupcake tray from the fridge and then divide the batter equally amongst all the tins. Make sure that the batter is almost filled to the top but not completely full. I like using an ice cream scoop for pouring my batter because it helps me divide the batter equally, and it is really convenient as well. Before we bake these cheesecakes, we're going to need a water bath, and for that I'm taking some hot boiling water and I'm going to pour it in a baking sheet which will go at the lowest rack of my oven. And over that tray in the middle rack, I'm going to put my cheesecake tray for around 18 to 20 minutes or until they are lightly browned on top. And after that we're going to refrigerate these cheesecakes overnight. It's a new day and our cheesecakes are absolutely ready to be decorated. I'm going to remove them from the tray, and then we'll cut up some strawberries and then whip some cream. For making my Santa cheesecakes, I'm just going to pipe my whipped cream in the manner shown in the video. It's basically like in concentric circles using a small tip, and then I'll cut off the edge of the strawberry and I'll place it vertically just like this. Over this I'm going to pipe a small dollop of whipped cream to complete the Santa hat, and now it's looking perfect. Just look at these cute little cheesecake cups. Similarly, just finish decorating all of your cheesecakes and then you will be good to go. If you want, you can totally skip this step and enjoy the cheesecakes as it is. But if you're making this for Christmas, make sure to do it the way I am doing and you will be really happy. I simply can't get over how beautiful these cheesecakes are looking right now. I think Christmas is going to be really special, and I wish you all a happy and Merry Christmas. Make sure to try this recipe and tag us in your stories on Instagram, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube and Instagram as well. As for me, I just had to dig into one of these cheesecakes right away, and honestly they are really the best. Make sure to try this recipe out. The cheesecake has the best texture as you can see in the video. It's really tasty and worth trying. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.